Are you looking for a reliable partner who can quickly and clearly understand your customized needs and efficiently complete your customized products? We recommend Shenzhen BERGEK Technology Company Limited for you. Their specialties here at BERGEK include CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, and plastic injection molding. Most of the manufacturing engineers in their team have more than 15 years of manufacturing experience in various products and manufacturing processes, which can quickly understand your needs and offer quotations on the same day. As a result, they are not just a manufacturer and pride themselves in quickly providing a comprehensive design for manufacturing reviews and designing a lean manufacturing process flow for their customers. Because rely on high-precision equipment, they can support a high level of part complexity, provide exceptional surface finishes. The main classification of materials: stainless steel, aluminum, copper, brass, and rich surface treatment, such as anodize, Type 2 or Type 3, bead blast, chromate conversion coating, powder coat, electroless nickel plating, titanium anodize, etc. In addition, they have a perfect quality inspection process and quality team. From incoming quality control to outgoing quality control, they carefully control the product quality of each process. All these provide customers with end products that exceed their expectations, with high quality and less expense, so their customers always repurchase. Let them show you how easy they can make it for you. Just send your CAD files, and let's get started today.